OK。
Hi, I'm Decker from Oceanware, Xiamen, and we are located in the Xiamen Haishan Dentist. And now I'm standing on my showroom, and it is our showroom which shows our clients our newest products on the market. And firstly, let me introduce you something about our company. And we are OEM specialized manufacturers in bathroom industries with more than 40 years experiences. And we majorly produce something like smart toilets, as you can see, and our systems, a glass system and also inward system, and we also produce various kind of toilet seats in different shapes, different styles, and also like some shower seats and some care products, which serves for the market of aging groups. And we have powerful R&D abilities and support various kind of customizations, and we pay a lot of attention to our qualities. We have 100% of inspections for every quality we make, so you can trust us. And if you are interested, we can talk more details and send you our catalogs. And first, then I want to introduce you one of our major products in our markets, and that is our most popular smart toilets, E402s, and it has a very slim design, D-shaped smart toilets, and it is integrated models, and as you can, it has big home controls on the side of the toilet. You can also use this remote control to manipulate its functions. And its toilet seat could also be taken for easier maintenance. So I'm going to show you its functions. If you push the rear wash buttons on the remote control, then it will activate the rear wash process. So yes, it is a multifunctional feature which is very popular on the European market. So if you want to learn more about our products, you can always contact us. And thank you. This is our introduction today. Look forward to talk more detail with you.